Are you wondering if YouTube TV has the SEC network? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether you can watch college sports like football and basketball from the Southeastern Conference. If you're a fan of SEC sports, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV does include the SEC network as part of its standard channel lineup. This means you can watch live games, analysis shows, and other SEC-related programming directly through YouTube TV. The SEC network is a must-have for fans of schools like Alabama, Georgia, and LSU, as it covers football, basketball, and more. Simply open the YouTube TV app or website, locate the SEC network in your channel guide, and tune in to catch the action. You can also use YouTube TV's DVR feature to record games and watch them later if you can't catch them live. If this video helped you understand that YouTube TV includes the SEC network, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.